welcome back to my channel. It's me, your friend, our friend, Bea friend. So hello guys, I'm at the farm at San Benito, Batangas. And yung pinopromote dito, it's all about wellness, physical, social, and anything that's good for your health. Perfect place talaga yung the farm for that. Since mental health advocate tayo, I will be giving tips in terms of mental health para makatulong, especially for students who are mostly my viewers in this channel. So, magbibigay ako ng mga tips in terms of anxiety, especially student din. So, I understand. So, yun, magbibigay tayo ng tips para makahelp sa inyo. So, yun guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to be a friend and hit like and subscribe.
Just let your head down. Let's paint the whole town. Life is a playground, yeah. But I'm not a kid no more, so I must open doors and make you feel like the lady you are. My mama raised me to be classy, not flashy. I'm happy to please you, though I can tell that's not what you used to. And they say chivalry is dead, dead, dead. Girl, let the real man pick up the slack and treat you with respect, yeah. And you don't have to love me, love me, love.
Okay, so tip number 1 is, it's very important that we get enough sleep. So guys, when we sleep, it's the time na nagkakaroon ng repair and reset yung brain and body natin, strengthen our immune system. So it's important that we get enough rest and sleep. So get your 8 hours of sleep or habulin nyo yun when you have the time. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is mga stress management and relaxation techniques. So ano ba yun? So you could do many activities like exercise, yoga, meditation, aromatherapy. So whatever floats your boat, kung ano yung tingin mo na makaka-relax sa'yo or makaka-manage ng stress mo. Exercise or like yung jogging kasi parang talaga may-release yung mga neurotransmitters mo to help you improve your mood. And I think yun din usually yung nire-recommend to many people is that you should exercise or jog because our body releases chemicals to help improve our mood and our overall wellness. Do relaxation techniques like deep breathing or massages, so anything that could help relax. Tip number 3, okay, so etong next tip na to, I find it hard as well. So it's be careful what you eat kasi honestly, what you eat, of course, may mga nire-release ng nutrients and mga chemicals in our body. Oh my gosh, biochemistry. So important then what we eat. For example, there are a lot of food that also help us reduce our anxiety, like ano ba yung mga like chamomile, nakakapampakalma talaga siya. Other than chamomile tea, alam ko mga green tea din, nakaka-help yun, as well as avocado or many food actually yung nakakatulong in terms of anxiety reducing. So you just need to research what food is good for your health. And yun nga, alam ko, lower your intake of alcohol, your caffeine, as well as junk food, yung mga processed foods, mga lutong bahay, mga may gulay, ganon. Yung mga ayaw natin, yun yung nakakatulong sa atin. Tip number 4. Okay, so the next tip is socialize or go to someone na safe space mo. Kasi it's important na when you're filled with anxiety or like ang dami mong thoughts na nagka-clog sa brain mo or ang dami mong clutter talaga sa utak mo na it overpowers your rationality. So it's important that you get an outside perspective so that that person or your friend or family members could help you kasi mahirap na nakikinig ka lang sa sarili mo. It's important that you get objective or outside point of view kasi pag sa sarili mo lang nakikinig ka, parang nagiging subjective na lahat na parang na overemphasize lahat ng iniisip mo. So, isipin mo, tama ako, ganun. Pero pag narinig mo yung side nila, iisipin mo na, ang liit lang pala ng worry ko or they didn't think of it as much as I did. So, it's important that you get outside perspective or you listen to your friends. Basta lumabas ka. Mahirap mag-isa tapos nag-aalala ka na nga. So, you need all the support and encouragement from other people. So, yun. Tip number 5. Okay, so tip number 5 is, I personally use this, which is visualization. Para siyang ipapractice mo na sa brain mo yung mangyayari so that when it happens, na-practice mo na siya. So a lot of athletes do this, pero you could also do this for everyday use. Like for me, as a student, when I have reporting, ipapractice ko na siya and magkakaroon ako ng mental rehearsal na yung sasabihin ko, ito yung mangyayari. So that prepared ka emotionally and psychologically sa mangyayari. And if things go out of control, that you have a lot of things na practice mo at na prepare mo. Parang mas malilesen yung anxiety mo when you come prepared. Siguro yung bonus tip ko is, I think it's also very important that you seek professional help if you feel na yung anxiety mo, it's being dysfunctional ka na, parang yung quality of life mo din, hindi na ganun kaganda or like affected na yung functioning mo. It's important that you get professional help as well. Of course, we have the psychologists and psychiatrists for this para din ma-assess and ma-diagnose ka if you feel na you have anxiety or it affects your daily functioning. So, ayun guys, I hope madami kayong natutunan. Thank you so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.